RNV31S night vision goggles, reliable in any demanding environment. With flexible battery options, it ensures you're always geared up. The modular design and standard interface provide strong compatibility. Manual gain control lets users adapt to changing lighting conditions. The mechanical design allows you to set and maintain your desired interpupillary distance. Pairing with the ultralight clip-on rapidly enhances night vision using fused outline and thermal imaging. Lightweight, convenient, and easy to use. Trust RIX Tactical, your